My name is Kevin, and I'm gonna be finding the volume.
My name is Antonio. I'm gonna be finding the missing angle of the right triangle.
My name is Grant, and I'll be finding the area of a circle.
My name is Evan Zamora. I'm going to be doing the Pythagorean theorem.
My name is Frankie, and I'm going to do the missing side using SOHCAHTOA.
Yeah, I'm Grant, and I'll be talking about the area of a circle. So this circle here, we're going to measure the diameter. Alright, so since this circle is 12.7 feet, we know that's the diameter. And then we're going to have to do the area of the circle is pi r squared. To get r, we have to do half of 12.7. And that'll get us 6.35 feet. And then we have to do 3.14 times 6.35. And that gets us an area of 126.6 feet.
Hi, my name is Frankie Gutierrez, and I'm going to be finding the missing side using SOHCAHTOA. So what we have here is a right triangle. The axis adjacent, we're trying to find the opposite side, and the hypotenuse is 87. So then right now I'm going to draw the triangle out. So then first you would use is cos 24 divided by 1 equals x over 87. And then after that you would circle these two together, and then you get x equals 87 cos 24. Then after that you would get you would have to multiply 87 cos and 24 together, which would equal 79.5, which is rounded to the 10. And then yeah, that's your answer for your opposite side.
My name is Ken Morales, and I'm gonna be presenting finding the volume. To find the volume of the prism, we're gonna use the formula B equals parentheses 1.5 BH1 parentheses H2. We're gonna draw the prism. The base is 5. The height of the triangle it's 2, and the height of the prism is 10. Alright, we're gonna use the equation. We're gonna do B 1.5 of the base, that's 5 parentheses, times the height of the triangle, that's 2, and the height of the prism, that's 10. And then we're gonna multiply the 5 and the 2, be and then we're gonna multiply the 1 and 10, so we're gonna get 10 2, and 10. And then we're gonna divide 10 and 2, so we're gonna get 5. Then we're gonna multiply 5 and 10, and my answer is 50 centimeters.
My name is Efren, and I'm going to be doing the Pythagorean theorem. And in order to find the measurements of the imaginary triangle, the bottom measurement is
3 feet 4 inches.
3 feet and 4 inches. The height of the triangle,
4 feet 7 inches.
4 feet and 7 inches. So then after those measurements, I'm going to be using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm going to plug in both of the measurements which are measured from the triangle. 4.7 and square root that, and then plus 3.4 square root equals c squared. Once you square root both of the numbers, you end up getting 22.09 plus 11.56 equals c squared. After square rooting both of the numbers, you're gonna have to add both of the numbers together, which you end up getting 33.65 equals c squared. After that, you're gonna have to square root 33.65, and your final answer will be 5.8, and that will be your measurement for C. So the hypotenuse of the triangle is 5.8.
Okay, my name is Antonio, and I will be finding the missing angle of the right triangle. Okay, this is the triangle that I'm gonna be doing. Point A is where I am at, which is on top of my roof. Point B is the floor, and point C is where my target is, and I will be shooting at the target with the air rifle. So for finding the missing angle of the triangle, I will be using sine, since it's opposite over hypotenuse, and since I'm trying to find the angle of A. So I have done the measurements of everything of the triangle. So pretty much from me to the floor is 13.4 feet. From the floor at B to C would be 15.1 feet. And from me, where the rifle is, to the target is 16 feet in all. So pretty much using the numbers that I measured from this roof, I will be plugging in. I plugged in 15.1 over 16 into the sine A formula, and from there I inverse sine to be sine -1 15.1 over 16, which got me of an angle of 70.7 degrees in order to make the shot. Okay, I will be using this rifle called the Big Cat. It shoots at 1,200 feet per second, and what I will be shooting out of it is .177 caliber pellets. And using all this, I will be shooting at the big red circle target over there in the distance. There we go. I hit the target exactly at a 70.7 degree angle. I was able to hit the big red target with this rifle, and that just proves that the missing angle mathematics can be applied to shooting rifles at targets. Okay, since we hit the first target using the sine equation, I will be using the same mathematics to try to hit the target in the middle this time. Hit! First time's a charm. As you can see, the same mathematics can be applied to the smaller target, and we have just proven that the mathematics to find an angle, a missing angle, can be used to hit a target like that from up here on my roof.
My name is Efren Zamora. I'm gonna be doing the Pythagorean theorem.
I'm Antonio. I'm gonna be finding the missing angle of the right triangle.
My name is Randy Chase. I'm gonna find the missing side using substitution.